The 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, child safety locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.